Hi guys, today I'm gonna be playing Roblox again, and Adam is here, but I don't know if he wants to. Guys, guys, don't you see how drippy I am? I have Jurassic World headphones. I have Jurassic World headphones and also wrapping stuff. Yo, so sick. Oh wait, guys, I'm just gonna drink some water.
Oh no, I got the make videos right now. It was all yellow. Dun, 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 dun. Give me, I just want to get higher and my love. Hey guys,
Guys, I'm back. Okay, guys, look how drippy I am, guys. Like, just look how drippy I am, bro. Look, I have headphones and these things. I don't know what they're called. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be playing like some game. I'm gonna be playing random games on Roblox right now. And I'm just kidding, guys. I'm gonna play random games on Roblox. That's
why
what
you have a chance?
Okay, Epic Army, but I don't know what this game is. That's why I'm playing random games. Epic Army Battles. What is this game? I think what this game is. The click figure is kind of cool.
So
Free. I need to invite a friend.
Hey guys.
Oh hell no, I'm not inviting. Adam, you're sauce, bro. Click anywhere to spawn.
Are you mixed? Because you're half mine and half mine.
That's what I'm gonna say to you already know.
I wanna see.
Hey, you.
Did.
Battle.
Did.
What, bro?
Tell me.
I'm gonna burp.
Tell me.
No.
Just spell me.
ADAM.
Me.
ME.
You forgot the D. You forgot the D, bro.
What?
You forgot the D.
Adam?
No, me. Spell me. The word me, not myself.
ME. ME.
M-E, right? M-E, you said M-E.
Yeah.
But you forgot the D.
ME.
You
Wait,
forgot
what?
the D, bro.
Med.
You forgot the D. Say M-E, and then you forgot the D.
Bruh.
You forgot the D, bro.
ME.
M-E, but you forgot the D. Say there's no D in me.
There's no D in me.
Not yet. Dreamy, E.
That's not a good joke.
Bro, like this. They say like
That's not good. That's not good. That ain't good.
I haven't even started explaining.
Okay, jeez, bro.
So they say.
So they say. What?
So they say ME, right? Because ME, right?
Yeah.
And then we say you forgot the D, and then they say there's no D in me. Not yet.
That's not good.
D in me, like there's not.
That's
D
trash. So trash.
Fine.
Guys, we'll just do a part 2 because this video is gonna be pretty boring.
He said.
What? Guys, this is a pretty short video. Adam, let's just make a part 2 of this because this is gonna be really boring, and I also need to freaking do other stuff. So bye guys. I'm gonna grind in TTD. Bye. I'm also gonna watch a movie.